So we're just going to score this in half. Just making sure you burnish all that down. Alright, so then we're just going to, so now I'm just going to come back to that because I really want to concentrate on getting all the mechanisms in so that we have, bring my card down. And I'll put a pencil in there to try and make sure I've got that down. And then you're just going to fold that down like this one here, and then we will design our piece to go. Okay, so that's that as well. And the previous ones.